In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom header for your Wix website. Your header is the first thing visitors see at the top of your site, and it sets the tone for your brand. A well-designed header guides navigation, highlights your logo, and makes key actions easy to find. In the Wix editor, customizing it is straightforward, and I'll walk you through the essentials so you can create something clean, on-brand, and effective. Start inside the site editor by clicking directly on the existing header. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding area around that top section. With the header selected, you can begin editing and customizing it right away. Add the elements you want, like your logo image, your site name or tagline, a navigation menu, a call to action button, or social icons, and remove anything that doesn't serve your goals. Drag elements into place and use the guides that appear to keep everything aligned. Keep things simple and focused. A crowded header can be distracting. Leave enough breathing room around your logo and menu so each item is easy to spot, and try to keep your navigation concise. Fine-tune placement by nudging elements until they line up neatly. If something doesn't belong, select it and remove it to reduce visual noise. Think about the hierarchy. Your logo and menu typically anchor the left and center areas, while actions like a contact button can sit to the right. If you include a tagline or announcement text, make it short and legible at a glance. With the header still selected, open the Properties pane on the right side to refine the design details. Here, you can adjust colors, transparencies, sizes, animations, and shapes for the header and its elements. Set a background color that matches your brand, or add transparency for a modern overlay effect. Make sure text and icons have enough contrast so they're readable against the background. Adjust the header's overall height by dragging its edge and resize individual elements so they feel balanced together. Explore subtle animations to add polish. Gentle fades or slides can draw attention without being overwhelming. Shapes and borders can help separate the header from the content below. Consider a thin divider line, a soft shadow, or slightly rounded corners to introduce depth and character. Keep these accents minimal so they enhance, not distract. And that's all. By clicking the header to customize its contents, then refining the design in the Properties pane, you'll create a header that's attractive, consistent, and easy to navigate. Take your time, keep things cohesive, and let your header speak clearly for your brand.